So good. Hello guys, I'm getting brunch with my friend. We're eating at a poke spot. Let's go eat. What? Wow, it looks so good. After we ate poke, we went to Beard Papa's. I got the ube with the vanilla filling, and then I got the matcha with the green tea filling. This looks so good. Genuinely enjoy catching up with friends that I haven't caught up with in a while. It's always like a good feeling to know that you have people around you that have known you for such a long time. Like, I've known this girl for nearly a decade now, and she's seen me grow and go through different phases in life. This is our first Miski Hippers. I want this one or this one.
You want the phone one?
Yeah.
I want the butt one.
Let's see. What?
It's the butt one!
No way!
Happy early birthday.
Oh. Ready? Okay? Yeah. You're really spicy? Yeah. I'm out of my appointment. Literally so painful. Chest is on fire. So I go to Laser Away. They like to rotate their nurses, and so each time I've come in, I've had a different nurse. This nurse, she was stopping like every 5 seconds. Honestly, I'm glad she did because it was so painful. I definitely think no pain, no gain. I will hopefully see more lightning by my 4th session. My next session is in September. So we'll see. We'll see. Hi guys, it's currently Juneteenth, so I have the day off today. I plan on going to the gym first and then grabbing food and visiting my grandma. Not a very productive day, but as productive as I can be while also enjoying this Thursday off. Rush right now. I'm supposed to pick up my cousins like right now, so just putting on some perfume. And we're gonna pick up food for my grandma and my dad. Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, I like how it has the like the little thing.
Yeah. Oh, right? I mean, it's cute.
It does look cute.
Yeah, I like it. Oh, stylish.
Like, oh yeah, Fashion Week.
Oh wait, that's actually really cute.
Just at McDonald's. McDonald's. That one drop.
Wow. I like it. It definitely doesn't taste like
that's
fresh.
nice.
You'll like it in 5 years.
Yeah, 5 years. Like grass. It took her 10 years to like gnocchi mushroom.
Oh yeah, now you love it. And then open up. Whoa.
Oh my god, that's like.
That's crazy. It's wet inside.
Really?
Yeah, it's moist.
Like I. Oh, it smells good. It smells like.
Take a bite. Is it good?
It's softened.
Whoa. It's like crispy on the outside.
It's really soft on the inside.
Soft on the inside and it's salty. There's like salt particles right here.
I need to get this again when we go next time.
Hi bánh mì. Oh trời. Dạ bánh mì không. Một cho ngồi, một cho ba. Chút nào ăn nè. With a slider and a tender, and 2 tenders.
Okay. Oh, you have the sauce though.
Yeah. This is the It's spicy?
Yeah, it's spicy.